Alright, well, let's go finish this quest then. Let's get something done. The time I got. Don't plan on staying up all night.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. You talk to
Man. This gun is so weak.
Oh god. What do you have?
AI-76, but it's only fucking green tier. I'm using it because I've got
Interesting. There's nothing there.
got an extended mag for it to the freaking red dot site.
Why so serious?
There's a gun crate. Not anything good though.
Come on, you fucking crap. Just fucking die. There's something else there. Well, nothing in the left side. Nothing in the middle. Well, that's shit.
Here we
Which
go in
one's that?
here. Underground bunker. Where are you going?
Checking out this shit. Nothing up here. Nothing on the other roof. Two
Looks
weapons
good
here,
shit.
eh? I was about to say, that doesn't look like the right way.
I can go whatever fucking way I want.
Oh yeah?
Yep. That's how I roll.
Have fun with that. I'm gonna hide in this truck.
Anything good in here?
I wish I could read Swedish. It's a sign.
I understand hanger.
Tick. Wait, what?
What the hell are you doing? Trying to tickle it?
Holy shit, this place is massive.
Yeah, I'm fucking lost. We're looking to turn the power on. Is that what we're trying to do?
Mm-mm. There's a couple dogs down there. I can only see them because of the light.
Is that what that is? Seem to be dead.
My god, this place is absolutely ginormous. Stand still and shoot me.
Yeah, I think this is leading out.
Oh, you went a completely different way to me.
Yep, I did. Because it does go outside. Thought we'd cover more ground. Apparently you took the fun side.
Fuck. I can see now.
Can you? Oh, there it is. Some power.
No, what I mean by that is I blew up a bunch of farm tractors by accident. And now their fire is actually a light source for me.
I'm back at the beginning.
We're back at the beginning?
Yep. The way I went did not go very far. No power. What the hell was that?
Oh, I don't know. That truck's empty. This one's not there.
I get to use my thermo. Yay!
Fuck's sake.
We're at like
We're back
another
to
entrance. I don't think this is the same entrance.
No, it's not. This is the entrance next to it.
Oh, hell.
Fucking hell.
Yep. That leads out. Where the hell? What the fuck? This just leads to dead end. Oh, there's a fucking hallway. Did you find anything?
Back to the same entrance we were just at before. Well, the first entrance we went in.
It's like a hand symbol.
That's what I was trying to get to, but it's like under the ground outside.
Yeah, that's where it's leading. Back outside. It's gotta be in the fucking bunker somewhere. Fuck.
Like, I found a door, but it won't open until I get power.
There's gotta be something around here that leads us down to where we can turn the power on. I think. I'm not finding anything.
Here we go. Come here. Found it.
The fuck?
Yeah, back around to where you were.
It was just down here. Oh my fuck, really?
I went past there twice as well.
I think I went past there like 3 fucking times. Good shit. I missed every shot.
I can't tell the power is on.
Found a thing. Doesn't look like it's on. I think we have to go to these tigs.
Yeah.
Tick. My hell, how are you still alive? Oh my shit. Pathetic.
Turn it now.
Turn what?
A button. Thought you were still out here.
Get out of my way.
There's a guy down here. Ammo box. Wow. That's it. What's down here? Sick. I found some creepy tunnel.
Cool.
I'll explore that later.
Where are you going now?
The mission area. Well, it says enter the weapon storage, so I want to go check that out, because hopefully I can find a fucking weapon.
So it'd be nice to find something worthwhile.
It's not showing me where the weapon storage is, but I think I know where it's at. This door here. Open. Fucking gas, really?
Apparently.
Yes, hello Lily. I got some shit to fuck up. Get out of my way.
guy right here. There's something. A dead body.
Yeah, there's dead guys everywhere.
They should have been wearing their masks. Not finding anything super great.
Oh. I'd tell you if I did.
Nope.
Looks like you found something interesting. Oh, fucking look at it. Can we shut the door so we don't get poisoned?
Doubt it. A bunch
Yeah,
of
it doesn't
ammo
work.
crates.
Yeah, but we can get attachments from these.
There's a shitload of ammo crates. This is the biggest store of ammo crates that I've ever seen.
Well, it is weapon storage. Is there another one of
Yeah.
these? Well, there
It
is.
looks like it. There's a couple.
Empty. Oh no, there's a bazooka.
Oh, please let it be a blue one.
And a 50 BMG. Is there more of those? No.
Damn.
I'm getting out of here before I die. Wait, is that done? That's done.
Is that it?
Yeah. Lily, come here. Come on. Come here.
Ooh, the bazooka's green. Not bad.
Come here now.
That's all though. I guess the 50 cal's blue, but I already have a blue 50 cal, so.
Dropping it. Dropping it.
Drop that, drop
Dropping
that.
that. Dropping that. Dropping that. Bird shot. Fuck off. Dropping that.
Don't need those, don't need those.
Hit 16 scope. I just dropped. It's blue. I'm pretty sure you've already got it though.
Yeah.
Oh, a harvester. Phoenix class. It's one of your rivals. Do you want to go kill it?
I guess we could.
Next to the safe house, so I might as well.
Where at? Have you seen it to the north?
My
The
location.
boss? The south.
Just north of the airport. It's that one just there. The boss of all their something fell fire blah blah.
Well, if you're trailing to the safe house, why'd I drop all that shit? I could just drop it off here.
I was dropping it because I didn't want it.
Maybe I do. Maybe I want everything.
There it is, right there.